The next train will be leaving from platform 1.
Stop that train, I wanna get on.
Hey, hey.
My baby, she's leaving me now.
When I say baby, don't go nowhere.
Stop that train, I wanna get on.
When I beg you, come back and stay each and every day.
She's on that train, she's on that train.
Ascot High School, as you can see here.
Ascot High School student.
Yeah man, subscribe to the channel man. Our name
It's
It's
a
a Jamaican Thing TV. Subscribe.
Alright. Alright.
It's a Jamaican thing, TV. So come on and join with me. We're there for the exploration across the island. Don't miss this the history. It's a Jamaican thing, TV. So come on and join with me. We're there for the exploration across the island. Don't miss this the history. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright guys, so there again, you know, Spanish Town to be exact guys, on the railway, rail station now. We're planning to board the Old Harbour train to Old Harbour guys and give you guys a tour and see what's going on the ride to Old Harbour. Alright? What's it? Well, alright people, so train, the Old Harbour train, I'm back up right now guys. Now we're going to board the Old Harbour train to Old Harbour. Give you guys the experience of the Old Harbour train. Now, you guys, you don't know. If you guys stay tuned to my channel, guys, you'll see that I've done a ride of the Linstead train. Now we're going to do a ride of the Old Harbour train. Alright guys, so stick and stay. Yeah guys, so this is our train to Old Harbour. That's the locomotive there. That's our locomotive there. That's where the operator operates from. And that's the passenger carts. Alright guys, so we're going to walk through, see what's going on, and we're going to board as usual. You know the thing go. Show you guys what's going on our train, passenger train. Now this train basically carries students and from Old Harbour to Spanish Town, or from Spanish Town. And there's another one that takes passenger from. It's a Jamaican Thing TV.
Oh!
Alright. So this is the passenger carts guys. So as I said, you know, one train goes from Linstead to Spanish Town to Linstead. And the other one is from Spanish Town to Old Harbour to Spanish Town. So let's board guys, that's what's going on. So, done it done right now? Done it done right now? Alright guys, what time it is? We're there up on the train guys. I'm afraid I come around to now. Alright, so what time it is guys? I see shrimp man and look through a jug of people. Oh yes. Right now you have to pay me. Right now you have to pay me because you get free advertisement. Yeah, I get free advertisement right now. Alright, so what time it is, guys? Oh, I'm doing it. The trains are scanty. Train scanty, bad man. Do the links they don't already? Alright guys, so that is it, that's the time. Oh, I'm doing on a hide for. Jaja, on a hide so. I'm here. I mean, I'm too afraid of it. You do something?
Put me in the air.
No, it's not. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, 73 much money you have.
Really, brother? Alright, so that's basically how the inside of the locomotive look, guys. Inside of the train looks. Now, this train departs at 4:40 or 3:40. 4:40.
Yes.
Alright guys, right now
Right
we're
here.
right now guys, we're one of the students that basically takes the train from Spanish Town to Old Harbour, from Old Harbour to Spanish Town. What year original? So you see, you take a train regular every day?
It costs that way. Sometimes take something like this.
Alright, so we think this is better for you?
Like,
In terms of versus the bus, you think this is better?
yeah, it's cheaper. Because it reaches faster.
Okay, so you take way less time now when you take the bus or taxi. You take the bus?
Yeah, this time reach faster.
Oh, you reach fast and way cheaper.
Way cheaper. Way cheaper.
Alright, so. And what are your name?
Oh, not a new word. Or you can come in a day.
Alright, which school you go?
Ascot High School, as you can see here.
Ascot High School student, guys. You see, everybody from Old Harbour takes the train to Spanish Town.
Ascot students right here.
So everybody here is the Ascot High School?
Yeah, all these grey shirt ones.
Alright.
What is it? Ascot.
Alright, that is it. Alright guys, so basically the parts in Spanish Town, right?
No.
Heading to Old Harbour. Big pen, goat pens, chicken pen. Alright, so we're going to walk through. See if we can talk to some more persons on the train. Alright guys, so we're here on the train to Old Harbour. Now guys, over there with one of the students, they don't know regular rider on the train. See what time it is. Alright, what's in there? Can I have to take the train to Old Harbour?
Yeah.
Back and forth. So what are your name?
Romeo.
What's the name? Alright, so back and forth. What do you think about the train though?
Well, basically my experience towards the train, like, it's alright, fast and efficient, you know, costless.
Yeah.
Reaching a Spanish town early for school, go back home, kind of early, but it's a great experience.
So you think the time where cause what time you leave out in the morning?
So basically train leave all about 6:45 a.m.
And good hours that for you?
Good hours, but when I live in the town of Old Harbour, so I get a little time to ready up, so that's when it reach my side.
Yeah.
I'm ready for it.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
so you say you encourage other students to take the train. I'm realizing the train is scanty right now.
Most definitely. The reason why train up so scanty still is because exam time. Many students now have exam during them time of the so.
Oh, so normally they have more people.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like when school. When it comes down to exam time, it kind of gets scanty.
Alright, but you are doing yourself.
Come on. Remember to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah man, let people know I want to get money.
Yeah man, subscribe to the channel man. I name
It's
a
a
Jamaican Thing TV. Subscribe.
Alright guys, so we'll walk to again. So we can talk to some more students on the train.
If you see this man throwing the video on the hotel here, don't get a permission to visit no school, it's no one, we don't know one on the train, right? If you're supposed to get permission, you can video children also, you'll get sued, parents can sue you.
What?
Alright guys, so we're approaching the Old Harbour train station right now. That's the Old Harbour train station there guys. This is where we exit from the train. Then with another great vlog guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like up the video guys, like up the video. I know what the Old Harbour train station is where the ride ends. Alright guys, so this is where the train ride ends. We are now in Old Harbour. We're now in Old Harbour guys, and this is where the train ride ends. Alright guys, we have quite a number of kids that travels on the train. Now, this is the passenger train right there. And I guess the locomotive from the alumina plant, the alumina plant is awaiting the setup of the passenger train to continue. So I guess he's going to go on the side track and then allow this alumina train to go on the main track. So that's the train ride from Old Harbour to Spanish Town to Old Harbour guys. So what happened now guys, so the passenger train will go on the side track and allow the alumina train to go on the main track. So this is the alumina train that's heading to Yuatan. So this train is actually coming from Port Esquivel. Yeah, that's the same train that goes to Yuatan. So that's where the security stays. At the back of the train right there, guys. Now the gate is open so that the vehicular traffic continues on their merry way. Alright guys, so that was the train ride from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. That was the train ride from Spanish Town to Old Harbour, guys. We're on that ride from Spanish Town now, guys, and that's positioning for Monday morning. This stays here until Monday 6:45 or 6:45. Reaches Spanish Town about 7:12. So they carry students to Spanish Town in the mornings and then take them back in the evening. And there's another train that takes kids from Linstead to Spanish Town and then from Spanish Town to Linstead. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Like this video and comment, let me guys let me know what y'all think about this one. Alright guys, so we're walking into the town off Old Harbour right now. Just got off the train. So walking from here into Old Harbour. Alright. Alright guys, so we're walking at the town right now. Traffic in the town of Old Harbour as usual. Don't know you feel Old Harbour need a bypass as well guys. Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic coming from off the Old Harbour Bay Road and out of the town on the Old Harbour Bay Road. Old Harbour High School. Alright guys, so that's the newly built Old Harbour fire station. Newly built Old Harbour fire station, not Old Harbour Bay, Old Harbour fire station. Alright guys, so right now we're in Old Harbour Town. Welcome to Old Harbour Town guys, this is how Old Harbour Town looks on a Friday evening. Old Harbour police station. So that's the courthouse on the top there and the police station below. Little park. I don't know, every town needs a clock. Yeah guys, I don't know, everybody on hotspot KST. Old Harbour. Everybody on one spot Old Harbour. And guys, this is the bus park, taxi stand.
On the short, that's it. It's up on the short.
Yeah guys, and around that side is the market. Old Harbour Market. Hey guys, and that's Old Harbour Market over there.
wish me nothing.